Hello, so this is FPGA Homework 3 where we are implementing multipliers using the modules from the Quadrus Prime. So first we create a project where we create an empty project and select our particular device, and then we can go to our for libraries and choose arithmetics, and in our arithmetics we can choose the LPM, which stands for library parameterized modules, and we choose multiplier. Once we choose that, we would be able to choose, let us create. So we can select the number of inputs we are going to use for this particular project, which is 4 cross 4, and we are using unsigned. So we can check for the optimization that we need, either for speed or area. So let us keep it a default, and next let us generate the netlist. So once we click on finish, we will be able to see this particular code that is generated, and we set that as our top module, and we can compile the design. So now we can see the program has been compiled successfully, and we can check the number of ALMs used and the total number of pins, and with the detailed analysis we'll be able to see the number of ALUTs used. And once we perform this, now we can check the path delay. So we can see the longest path is from data B2 to result 6 with a delay of 13.713 nanoseconds. Now let us place and route the pins for our LED. So we can see in the pin planner we have already assigned all the pins for our particular program for the LEDs and the switches. So once this is done, let us save and compile the program once again and dump the file into our FPGA board. To dump the file, we can auto detect our device So we can see the program is successfully dumped, and now let us see the output on our FPGA board. Now we can see when all the dip switches are low, we don't get anything, as 0 cross 0 is 0 and 0 cross 1 is also 0, and when we change the inputs from 1 cross 1, we get the output as 1. And when we do 1 cross 3, we get it as 3, 3 cross 3, 9. Similarly, we are getting the maximum output as 2 to 5. So this concludes our first part of our homework 3. Now let us design the same thing by using the 7 segment display.